Welcome, Chronicle crew and new friends. It's the afternoon of December 5th, and we are officially in transit. We've left the neon grid of Memphis in the rear view, cutting a path through Little Rock as we aim our compass toward Oklahoma City. There's something hypnotic about the I-40 corridor in early December. Just you, the open road, and the growing realization that Texas is a very, very large place.
Here's Little Rock, Arkansas.
Arkansas.
They say Arkansas.
Fukuda.
People from Arkansas, they call themselves the Arkansasies.
Arkansans? You sure? I've never heard that before.
You're not down with the people.
Guess not. What we do. Run the other way, Mommy.
We have a spicy chicken sandwich with pickle and mayo. And Tree has
Pizza.
What kind?
Meat lovers and a supreme.
Meat lovers and a supreme. So his two pieces were like $6.
$8.50.
$8.50.
$8.50.
And mine was $6. And then I have chips from the Janino's when we stopped. And then I got a free coffee. I ate all the chips and then I bought them chips and then they gave them to me. Our first stop after leaving Memphis, and now we're on our way to Oklahoma City. Only 4 hours to go? Ish.
By the time we hit OKC, the sun was putting on a clinic. We found our way to Larry McAtee Park, just a stone's throw from our home base at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott, Oklahoma City Airport. There's something about an Oklahoma sunset that hits different. It's like the sky is trying to apologize for the wind. The light here is thick and golden, the perfect breath of fresh air before hitting the pillows. Total December magic.
So we came over to this park, and like this, looks pretty nice, right? Beautiful. So gorgeous, right? Yo. But there's garbage. Like, not like an excessive amount, but like there's a pretty decent amount of garbage. There's one person living in their car. There's 5 or 6 people under this picnic area that are homeless. They're just hanging out. Which, whatever, I'm used to that in Seattle. But look, there's this nice bike path. Nobody's on it. Walking path, bike path, no one's on. Which, you know, I'm sure we'll read afterwards if there was a shooting here the other day or some shit. It's sad. Like, there's garbage on the ground, garbage over here, a cart. Me coming from Seattle, it's actually not that bad. Because in Seattle, this whole place would be full of tents. Look how gorgeous that is. So, Tree's staying back with the van to get it ready, or just to make sure that nothing happens. I'm walking the dogs on the path with hope, but like, it's pretty open, so you can see pretty far. It's so nice and so pretty. It's too bad it's all full of garbage and that there's no one here walking, which I'm surprised, because it's only like 54 degrees. It's right near a highway, like pretty close. It's around a little pond that doesn't look completely like shadooby. Anyways, so here we are. We left Memphis this morning at like 9 o'clock. We got in to here around 5. We stopped once. You'll see all that in this video. But I thought the dogs have been laying for so long. Like, even Radar's legs, you can tell, are stiff. And ooh, what's wrong with him? I'm gonna check him out. Be right back. Coast cleared. Mama fixed it. It was a prickly. But here, I'll show you. Look at this. How beautiful. Oh, sorry. We're in Oklahoma City. But I'm sure you know that since the videos before here were showing you Oklahoma City. But look at this. This biking walking path goes pretty far, I believe. I think I saw it like miles and miles down the road along the highway. But no, I didn't see a single person riding on it. Not one person, which is so bizarre because I'm used to, like, Rochester, people were always walking on these paths. Seattle, duh. It could be the middle of winter and people are on the paths. Anyways, there we go. So we're going to the hotel now. We're gonna check in. Tree's gonna take a shower. We're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna do some work. Yep, we're gonna do some work because I need to put up a video today and I haven't even, I don't think, started it.
To cap off the night, we headed to the Mug Scratch Kitchen and Tavern. Pro tip, if a place has Scratch Kitchen in the name, you're usually in for a good time. It was the kind of hearty, local meal that makes you forget you've been living out of a suitcase.
Fried corn. Really nice.
Morning of December 6th, after fueling up on the TownePlace Suites Hotel breakfast, we're heading into the city for something truly eclectic.
Oh, you're recording. I'll just let you record.
We rolled out into a Saturday morning so foggy it felt like a noir film, but the destination was anything but grayscale. Welcome to Factory Obscura's Mixtape. This isn't just an art gallery, it's a 6,000 square foot immersive experience created by an artist collective right here in OKC. It's a handcrafted world that explores the nostalgia and emotion of the classic mixtape. Imagine if a 1980s fever dream had a baby with a psychedelic wonderland. Everything is tactile. You're encouraged to touch, climb, and inhabit the art. It's a reminder that even in the heart of the plains, human creativity is delightfully weird. We shifted gears to visit the Oklahoma City National Memorial Museum, located on the former site of the Alfred P. Murrah Federal Building. This ground is sacred to the city. The memorial honors the victims, survivors, and rescuers of April 19, 1995 bombing. Standing before the field of empty chairs, each one represents a life lost. It's a heavy, humbling experience. The gates of time frame the moment of the explosion, 901 and 903, representing the innocence before and the recovery after. It's a powerful testament to the Oklahoma City spirit and the resilience that defines this community. And just like that, we're back on the highway, leaving the towers of OKC behind. We're chasing the sun toward Amarillo, Texas, where the stakes are big and the Cadillacs are buried in the dirt. If you enjoyed this leg of the journey, do the digital chores for me. Hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the Texas madness, and drop a comment below. Would you choose the sensory overload of Factory Obscura or the quiet reflection of the memorial? Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your heart in the clouds.
Ah, shit. Yeah, sorry. You can probably get behind. Well, they see we have New York plates, I'm sure. While they're swearing, they go, oh, they're not from here. You know Rochester's the third largest city in New York State? I bet you can't guess what number one is. Number one would be
Buffalo?
New York City.
Oh, New York City.